On the night of August 18th to 19th, 2025, tensions along Eastern Europe's border soared as Russian long-range aviation launched a new series of missile and drone strikes on Ukrainian territory. The strikes specifically targeted the Poltava and Kremenchuk regions, causing immediate alarm in neighboring countries. In response, Poland's Ministry of Defense quickly activated its air defense protocols, scrambling fighter jets from both the Polish Air Force and allied NATO forces to protect the nation's airspace. The incident highlighted the ever-present risk of the Ukraine conflict spilling over into NATO territory and underscored the necessity for constant vigilance and rapid response capabilities across the alliance. This latest alert also illustrated the high level of interoperability within NATO's air defense framework. Polish F-16 Fighting Falcons operated seamlessly alongside Swedish Jas-39 Gripen fighters, demonstrating the alliance's ability to coordinate multinational operations in real time. Such joint operations are critical for deterring potential aggressors and for responding instantly to any threat, providing reassurance to both national populations and allied governments that NATO is prepared to act decisively when needed. Poland's Quick Reaction Alert (QRA) capabilities are anchored in its fleet of F-16 Fighting Falcons. Introduced in the early 2000s as part of a comprehensive post-Cold War modernization program, these multi-role jets from Lockheed Martin have become the cornerstone of the country's air defense strategy. Equipped with advanced radar systems, air-to-air missiles, and precision-guided munitions, the F-16s are capable of executing both national and NATO-directed missions. Their presence signals a credible deterrent to any regional aggressor and ensures that Poland can respond rapidly to emergent threats. Supporting the Polish F-16 fleet are Swedish Jas-39 Gripens, deployed to Malbork Air Base under NATO rotational arrangements. Developed by Saab, the Gripen is a lightweight and highly maneuverable multi-role fighter designed for rapid deployment and cost-efficient operations. Its design allows for flexible basing options, including the ability to operate from roads or short airstrips, reflecting Sweden's strategic emphasis on adaptability and low-cost efficiency. The combination of Poland's F-16s and Sweden's Gripens ensures a complementary mix of capabilities, allowing NATO to maintain a balanced and versatile defense posture along its eastern flank. The F-16 program represented a major milestone in Poland's post-Cold War defense modernization. Since acquisition, the fleet has undergone multiple upgrades, including integration with AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles and advanced targeting systems, ensuring continued operational relevance against modern aerial threats. Similarly, Sweden's Gripen has evolved through successive modernization efforts, making it a highly flexible platform suitable for both national defense and NATO missions. Together, these aircraft illustrate the strategic value of combining heavy-lift, highly capable jets with lighter, more adaptable platforms in order to maximize the alliance's collective deterrent effect. Beyond the aircraft themselves, Poland's air defense readiness is strengthened by its integration into NATO's wider command and surveillance infrastructure. AWACS, Airborne Warning and Control System. Aircraft provide early warning capabilities and real-time coordination across allied forces. This network ensures that any hostile activity, whether accidental or intentional, can be detected and addressed within minutes, reducing the risk of escalation. The August 18th to 19th Scramble highlighted how modern air policing is no longer purely national in scope. Instead, it represents a networked effort in which shared intelligence, secure communications, and joint command structures multiply the effectiveness of individual units. Strategically, the presence of F-16s and Gripens in Poland sends a clear deterrent signal. These assets are not merely defensive. They represent NATO's commitment to protecting its borders and preventing the spread of conflict. Russian strikes on Ukraine, while geographically confined, have immediate implications for neighboring countries, and Poland's position as a frontline state magnifies the importance of its readiness. The August alert demonstrated the rapid response capability that is central to NATO's doctrine of collective defense and underscored the alliance's determination to maintain stability along its eastern frontier. The operational response also serves a vital psychological function. Swift scrambles reassure local populations that protective measures are in place and functioning effectively. By visibly demonstrating the ability to respond instantly to threats, NATO strengthens public confidence and deters potential aggressors from testing the alliance's resolve. This dual role of deterrence and reassurance is central to modern air defense strategy, particularly in volatile regions where public perception and alliance credibility are tightly intertwined. The event also sheds light on the broader lessons of multinational defense cooperation. The seamless integration of different aircraft types, joint exercises, and rotational deployments allows NATO to maintain a credible deterrent while leveraging the unique capabilities of each member nation. With Russia continuing to target Ukrainian cities, the alliance's ability to respond in a coordinated and timely manner is critical to preventing unintended escalation and maintaining regional security. Poland's air policing efforts during the August 18th to 19th incident also highlight the importance of technical interoperability. F-16s and Gripens operate on different platforms and with distinct tactical doctrines, yet through joint NATO procedures, their actions were synchronized to create a unified defense perimeter. Data sharing between aircraft, AWACS, and ground-based command centers ensures that threats are tracked continuously and responded to efficiently. This high level of coordination is essential not only for deterrence, but also for minimizing the risk of miscalculation in a fast-moving conflict environment. The incident emphasizes the evolving nature of air defense, where national capabilities are amplified through alliance-wide integration. NATO's layered system of surveillance, rapid reaction forces, and interoperable aircraft ensures that any hostile action can be countered quickly. This approach reflects a shift from static defense postures to highly dynamic, networked operations capable of responding to multiple threats simultaneously. In practice, this means that frontline states like Poland are both shield and sword, protecting their own territory while projecting deterrence across the wider region. In conclusion, the midnight scramble on August 18th to 19th demonstrated the effectiveness of NATO's integrated air defense along the alliance's eastern border. Polish F-16s, operating alongside Swedish J-39 Gripens, showcased the value of multinational coordination and interoperability. Coupled with real-time intelligence from AWACS and other command networks, NATO forces were able to respond immediately to a direct threat, reassuring the public and deterring further aggression. The event underscored Poland's crucial role as a frontline state and highlighted the alliance's commitment to collective defense, proving that readiness, coordination, and technological integration remain central to maintaining stability in a region marked by ongoing conflict. The rapid response also serves as a reminder to potential aggressors that NATO's air defense network is both capable and cohesive. The combination of modern fighter jets, advanced surveillance, and joint command structures ensures that any challenge to the alliance's security will be met with swift and coordinated action. For Poland, the incident reinforced its position as a critical component of NATO's eastern flank, while demonstrating to the wider world that the alliance's resolve and preparedness remain uncompromised.